Yo, what is up, everyone? How is it going? And welcome you all to this chit chat session in which we will discuss about our future goals, what we are going to do with this channel. Yo, what is up, everyone? How is it going? And welcome you all to this chit chat session. So let me figure this out. And this is also going to be a test stream so that in future we can conduct the live session like in a go. And basically, I had decided to create two courses, all right? And the two courses would be at two different zones. That zones could be one is in the web development field. Let me increase the size. Okay. One can be in the field of web development, and uh, the another will be like of Linux basically. And my focus for both of the courses are for the different approaches as well, like in this particular web development, because previously I was working with the Python one, but when I keep a poll on my channel that what is the maximum audience preference in the language selection, and the score that your the vote that come was 63% of my subscribers watch the content in English. So in that scenario, putting the content in Hindi would be a worthless thing, and to avoid that everything, I am creating everything in the English, and as well as I try to put everything in that course in the ease so that a person that has never been to the programming section or anything will understand it. Okay. So when I was talking to when I talk when the thing going with the web development, this Python one, I thought that I will go with the when I will start the Python, I will also calculate it to the web development as well. But looking to the current scenario, looking to the current scenario, it was not that good, uh, that good options for me. So in that scenario, I have dropped this idea, but instead I'm going to start with the web development in the normal form. Like first we are going to understand what is HTML, then CSS, then JS, and then what we are going to do is if I go with this what I'm going to do is after this HTML, CSS, and JavaScript stuff, I am completed with the front end. But once the front end is completed, what we are going to do is we can simply also go with the tailwind as well as bootstrap to most of the famous CSS frameworks, which will be like what to say now. These CSS framework will help you to fasten up your everything, and when we have done with this front end and all, next part is going to be a little bit more what to say, like little bit more interesting when we will jump to backend. Okay, and the backend stuff will be dealt or will be deal by Node.js. Okay, will be deal by the Node.js, and once Node.js 1 is completed, in Node.js we will also see async functions and all that is being used in the industry right now. And not only that, we will also see the authentications using JWT, uh, and we will also see how to create the JWT tokens. And once that is completed, we will move towards a new segment, that is database. And if you have heard about the database is nothing but the storing of users and all. So in that scenario, we will go with the first we will understand the SQL structure query languages, and then we will move to the, because this is the basics and we will cover the basics. After covering the basics, we will if we want to say like what we will cover in the next part is, once we have covered the SQL, we will go and move to the NoSQL databases, that is uh what to say, like MongoDB. Okay, so MongoDB is one of the, like what to say, the MongoDB is one of the best databases I've ever seen. And thanks for 1K watching. We are right, like we are streaming with the 1K watchings, and hit that like subscribe button if you are new here. And thank you so much for, like, I have put the links on the what to say, like I have put the links in my group in my Discord, and my team members also like push it away on, like, it's 1.1K watching. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, 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 nice one, bro. Nice one, guys. So once we have done this, once we have done this, we will, like, once this is going to complete it up, okay, we will move to the next part, the database. Once the database one is completed, we will move to React.js. And in the React.js, we will learn everything that we have recently learned, the front end, and even in that, we will also include the Express. Okay, basically, we are going to learn the MERN stack. Okay, the complete MERN stack will be covered over there. Okay, and if you don't know, MERN for Mongo, E for Express, okay, and R for React, and N for Node. Okay, so once we are completed with all our databases and all, we will go with the React.js, and we will include everything we have learned over here, plus the MERN stack. Okay, once that is completed, we will like implement everything to make two main projects. And once that project is completed, once we are moved to the main section, we will complete the two projects. The projects could be like a chatbot using Tailwind, so that we can understand the components and everything. And once that is done, we will, like, what I can say is, we will make the minor projects as well, like 5 minor projects, that will give you a better understanding of Tailwind as well as everything. Okay, so this is my idea right now to begin with the web development course. And once that is completed, meanwhile, I will also go with the other courses as well. And that course is, what I think is, we can basically now. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. Okay, 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 okay. After completing the 5 minor projects as well, okay, 5 minor projects as well as the 2 minor projects, we will also prepare ourselves for the interview preparations. Okay, we will set up ourselves for interviews, so that whenever we face any kind of interview, we easily can solve that interview, we can face that interview with the confidence. Okay, the same way we are going with the Linux as well. Linux, when I will teach Linux is going to be for what to say, like Linux can be go for system admins. Okay, those who are looking for becoming a system admins, they can offer system admins. Okay, and in that system admins, first we will see all the basic, all kind of basics and all, right? How to access the files using the CMD, or not CMD, to be precise, it's going to be terminal. And with that, okay, in the web development as well, we will also like, I will drop a common series where we will learn Git and GitHub as well, because it is a very much crucial thing for any uh, database, or like for any developer that is working on a computer in the field of programming. He or she might know about the Git and GitHub. Okay, now, once we have done with the Git and GitHub, we will like move to other important aspects of Bash scripting. Bash scripting, very most important topics of the Linux. And once we have covered up with the Bash scripting and all, we will like move to the next part, that is going to be like firewalls and networks, how to access them. And these are all the like long-term goals which we are looking forward, and we are looking to move with this particular what to say, this particular thinking, that all these two topics are most important in the current scenario. Okay, and these current scenarios will be move up and up only. Okay, and I think I must go. And yeah, that was all the time that I got. And मैं जो है कंटेंट इंग्लिश और हिंदी दोनों में ही बनाने की सोच रहा हूँ, बट it will take time, little bit more. It's now 6 months and I haven't uploaded any single video. But just wait, just wait. I will like post something crazy over this. Okay, so stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next video or next live stream. Tada.